just want to do a little bit more of this chapter 5. I added some stuff at the end. I'm going to demonstrate this live. If you have a site where you can log in using something else like Facebook or Microsoft, it has to have some way of communicating between the service provider and the authentication provider where you log in. And one of the common techniques used is SAML, and this, by the way, is what Canvas uses, and it's what Banner uses. You can see it going by. And so I spent a week a few years ago, and I made a good broken SAML server, so you can see it when it fails. So you send your password up to the identity provider, then it responds with a token. The SAML response has this big blob token, which contains information proving that you have logged in, and then you can intercept and decode it. And what you can do is, if you just change the username, it will fail because it notices that you changed the name, but you didn't change the authentication part of it. But what you can do is just remove the signatures, and it will fail and let you through and let you log in. So this tends to happen. It's example perhaps of fail open we were talking about. But this happened to a lot of these providers. And another similar technique is JSON Web Tokens. This is a way to send data to the server. And so it has a token that contains three things: as a header, a payload, and a signature, all base64 encoded. And so the payload contains information like you are logged in as the administrator, and there's a signature here. But the signature, some sites will fail to verify the signature. Some will let you change the signature. It gets to say what encryption algorithm you're using, and some of them will let you use none as the algorithm, so no signature is required. Some of them will use keys you can guess. Some of them are implemented with command injection or SQL injection and so on. That's the thing. I mean, if everything was perfect, it would work, but in fact there are a bunch of ways for it to have mistakes, where you can modify the token or get away with having part of the token be wrong. So I want to show you this. Let me just stop this video. That's the theory part.